Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to repair corrupted system files in Windows 10. Click Command Prompt Admin. Type DISM space /online space /cleanup -image /restore health. The command executed successfully. Type exit to exit command prompt. Right-click Start button. Click Command Prompt Admin. Type sfc space /scanno. Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Close and restart computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.